Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Axim Biotech's channel, Innovative Diagnostic Solutions targeting oncological COVID-19 and dry eye disease. Joining us, as always, we have the pleasure of John, the Chief Executive Officer. Welcome back, sir.
Thanks for having me, Kyle.
Always a pleasure. And we've got a lot of recent news coming out that I'd like to touch on and just kind of figure out what's going on under the hood there at Axim. First and foremost, you recently completed optimization of the only FDA-cleared IgE rapid diagnostic test with an in-house manufacturing that's lowering the cost and kind of eliminating some of the supply chain issues. Do you want to just offer some insight on exactly what this means for Axim?
Sure. So when we acquired these tests, these two FDA-approved tests, one was for IgE, one's for lactoferrin. First thing that we saw was that the tests weren't exactly up to our par, and so we went to work on them in the lab. So we've optimized both tests, but we've optimized the IgE test to where we now have it from a 15-minute test down to a 7-minute test, which is huge for the doctor because it saves them half as much time running a test on their patients. And secondly, it also lowers the cost of the test because we've put it on a smaller test strip, lowers our cost of the strips, lowers our cost of supplies. We're now going to manufacture those strips ourselves, and that's going to save us even more money because we own the entire supply chain. So we make all the biologics that go on that strip, all the antibodies. We make the diluents. We have the cassettes manufactured, but the strips, and we spray them, and we do everything. So saves us time, saves us money, saves us any headaches from ordering supply chain products from China or wherever they might come from.
Yeah, I appreciate those insights. And kind of moving forward here, you guys are kind of expanding on some of that marketing. You kind of got a new website going on here. You want to just brief on that real quick and maybe offer some anecdotes to what you guys are kind of looking forward to in the summer here?
Yeah, so we just launched a new website. I think we put out the press release yesterday. It's aximi.com, EYE, and it's a site so that our sales reps down the road will be able to just take their doctors through a Zoom call, take them up to the website. They'll be able to market it much easier. It's also a site where doctors can get research information on lactoferrin testing, on IgE testing, as well as how to interpret our results of the test and how to run the test. So it saves a lot of time there. But most importantly, it's a site where the doctors can reorder tests. So they just go online, push a button, they reorder the tests, and out the door they go. And so we're getting ready to commercialize the product, and both tests are going to be ready soon for the market.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be a pivotal year for you guys as we kind of see these kick off.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, the second half of this year should really be blockbuster for us. I mean, we're going to start selling. It's the first time we've ever had a product where we sell the product, and I think that's huge for a small little OTC company that we are.
Well, on that note, I'm going to pass the question off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you guys think about all of this in that comment section below. Consider subscribing because as news continues to come down the wire, of course, we'll update you here. But on that note, stay cool, stay awesome. And as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.